What's going on, guys? It's Matthew here with Gadget University. I'm here with a review of the Speck Candyshell Satin for the iPhone 4S. Speck recently redesigned the case to feature a satin back to prevent scratches and things like that. The other Candyshell that everybody may be familiar with is the glossy back. This is a satin, so it's basically a rubberized coating over the plastic. Same case, it's still a dual mode protection case. You have the rubber inside and then you have the hard plastic on the outside. It's a form-fitting protection, so one piece, you just slide the phone in and you're covered. Installation is pretty simple. You're just going to line up the buttons on the side and then just push in. To uninstall, you're going to, it says to push the silent switch back and then start from this corner and work your way out. So as you can see, you just do it just like that and then you pull the phone out. I always find myself pushing on the camera. I know you're not supposed to do that, but it's what I do to get it out. Now let's do a little walk around of the case on the phone. You see you have a large cutout for the 30-pin dock connector and your speakers. From what I did notice is that the aftermarket chargers did not work. You need to use something that is similar to the OEM charger. Also on the side you have a cutout for your your volume key. This does work with the iPhone 4 and iPhone 4S, AT&T and Verizon versions, and of course the Sprint version as well. On the top you have a pretty large cutout for your 3.5mm headphone jack. One thing I did notice is that it does not work with a typical aux cable like for your car, so you are going to need a special something slimmer that can fit right in that hole. The power wave sleep button is very sensitive. I like it. It's great feedback, so everything works good. I have a typical screen protector on here. It's nothing really fancy about it. It's a regular thin one. I did not have any problems around the edges of it bubbling it up or anything like that. So if you have a screen protector, don't worry, you won't have a problem with that. You do have a label lay on the table design. If you see around the edge of the case, you do have a nice rubber protection. So if you do like to lay your phone like this, then you won't be scratching up your phone. On the back you have a large cutout, and this is for your flash so that it does not hit the case and cause any problems on the picture. So it's very large. It's not going to do anything with your pictures. I found that the camera worked very well in this new design. The old design was a much slimmer, so it was just a small cutout right there, but I'm happy they did this. It actually looks a little bit better too, in my opinion. Alright guys, this retails for $34.95 on speckproducts.com. A special thanks to Speck for sending this out for review. If you have any more questions about this case, please let me know. And as always, please rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.